At Covenant, we see the value in doing repairs so that we can provide a multitude of services to the community and to our homeowners. When we do repairs at Covenant Roofing, we want to make sure that we can promise to take care of the problem with the roof. One of the reasons we promise not to reuse your shingles is to guarantee that we can take care of the problem the first time effectively. There are certain materials that may still be of serviceable condition, such as flashings, that we will clean them up and restore them back to their original use. We promise to do everything that we can to get you the most life out of your roof so that you can enjoy that until the time comes when you have to replace it.